Welcome to ODT, your trusted supplier of diamond tools. Today, take you on a journey through our manufacturing process and showcase our high-quality products. ODT specializes in the research and manufacturing of diamond tools. Over the years, we have proudly served clients in over 50 countries around the globe, thanks to our exceptional quality and professional service. Our manufacturing process strictly adheres to high standards, from selecting raw materials to the final inspection of products. First, we carefully select premium diamonds to ensure that each blade delivers outstanding cutting performance. Next, our advanced CNC machines perform precision machining to guarantee that our products meet exact specification and dimensions. Finally, our quality control team thoroughly inspects every product, ensuring our customers receive only the best tools. ODT offers a wide range of diamond tools, including circular saw blades, CNC grinding wheels, core drills, grinding discs, polishing pads, and edge polishers. Our products are renowned for their durability, precision, and efficiency, making them ideal for professionals in stone processing and construction projects. Our clients span the globe, including numerous specialized stone processing factories and construction contractors. They consistently praise ODT's products, and at ODT, we are committed to technological innovation and quality improvement. Our R&D team continuously explores new manufacturing processes, ensuring our products remain at the forefront of the industry. Our rigorous quality control system guarantees the excellence of every item we produce. Thank you for watching ODT's manufacturing process showcase. If you're interested in our products, please visit our website at ondiamondtools.com for more information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and interact with us. ODT, your trusted supplier of diamond tools. We look forward to working with you.